We are describing third lesson of civics, constitutional designing. In the previous video, we discussed about the meaning of constitution. Constitution, a set of rules. What are the features of constitution or what does it contain also? Now we will describe making of Indian constitution. Making of Indian constitution, that was very difficult task for a big country like India. There were so many problems were faced by Indian people after independence also when we framed our constitution. The people of India earlier under the British rule, they were the subjects. Subjects means they were under the control of colonial power or Britishers, and now they were emerging from subject to citizens. Our country got divided into two parts, India and Pakistan, and this partition was based on religious differences. As we aware, during this partition, large number of people, near about 10 lakh people, they were killed on both sides. And on the border area, we can say there was violence. At that time, there was one major other problem was princely states. There were large number of near about 562 princely states in India, and these princely states during the time of Britishers, they were under the control of prince or rulers, and there was a choice before these princely states, they can merge with India or they can merge with Pakistan or they can remain independent also. But to merge these princely states with India, that was very difficult task. If princely states were not merged with India, then we can say India was like the divided country. And when the constitution was being written, the makers of the constitutions, they were worried about the future of the country also. Now, path to constitution. There were so many problems as we discussed when our constitution was framed before the constitution maker. But there were so many events which were helpful for us in the framing of the constitution. Our national movements, large number of movements such as started against the Britishers. These movements against the foreign rule that also rejuvenate our country and transform our society and politics. We got idea from many countries also, and those ideas remain helpful in the framing of constitution. For example, we got inspiration from the ideal of French Revolution. When in France revolution took place, there were three objectives or ideas before the French people: liberty, independence, and feeling of brotherhood. So we got idea of liberty and brotherhood from France. Even a big detailed constitution, this idea we got from USA, and Bill of Rights idea also we got from USA. So there were so many events which remain helpful in the framing of our constitution. In 1928, when India was under the control of Britishers, at that time Congress sessions were held. In 1928, a constitution was drafted by Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders. It means before independence also our leaders, they framed the guidelines how to frame the constitution, and these guidelines remain helpful after independence also to frame our constitution. During 1931, Karachi session was held, and in this also outlines about the or guidelines about the Indian constitution was given. So these events remain helpful in the framing of the constitution.